Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file U.S. taxes. First, identify your correct filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your deductions and credits. Next, collect all your income statements, including any W-2s from employers and 1099s for other income sources. Finally, decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. This initial preparation is crucial for an accurate filing. Once you have your filing status, focus on your income. Your employer provides a Form W-2, showing your annual wages and taxes withheld. If you're self-employed or an independent contractor, you'll likely receive a Form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation exceeding $600. Don't forget to account for other income like interest from savings, dividends from investments, or capital gains from selling assets. Accurately reporting all income is a fundamental step in the tax filing process. With your income and deductions in hand, it's time to calculate your tax liability. First, sum up all your income and then subtract any eligible deductions to arrive at your adjusted gross income. Next, apply the correct tax brackets to figure out how much tax you owe. Finally, choose your submission method. E-filing is often faster and more accurate, but mailing a paper return is also an option. Ensure you submit everything before the deadline to avoid penalties. To potentially lower your tax bill further, explore various deductions and credits. Common deductions include student loan interest, contributions to a health savings account, or certain educator expenses. Tax credits, like the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit, directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Remember to keep thorough records of all your financial transactions for future reference. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Filing accurately helps you stay compliant and potentially save money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.